Today we are going to make a very healthy shake, dates milkshake. We have here 5 dates. We have de-seeded them and chopped them into small pieces. You can also use seedless dates. We have here 5 almonds, 5 pistachios and 5 cashew nuts. The nuts were soaked in water for about 2 hours. They have become soft now. We have de-skinned the almonds and we're going to add them to the grinder jar. We have here 100 ml of warm milk. We have added 7 to 8 saffron strands in it, and now we're going to add this to the grinder jar as well. Blend everything up nicely to make a smooth puree. All the ingredients are blended well to form a fine puree. We are going to add 200 ml of chilled milk to this. You can add ice cubes if you wish, and sugar as well. Our dates shake is ready. We'll transfer it to a glass. This is a very healthy and nutritious shake. If you are thin and need to gain some weight, do try it. This milkshake is also very delicious. Do try it and give us your feedback. If you like the recipe, do share our video, like our video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.